Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your Facebook ad account. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook Ads Manager. Once there, look for the Business Settings option, usually found in the left-hand navigation panel. This is where you'll manage all your business assets, including ad accounts. Carefully select the specific ad account you intend to remove from your list. After selecting the correct ad account, you'll see an option to remove or deactivate it. Click this button to initiate the deletion process. Facebook will then prompt you with a confirmation message, ensuring you truly wish to proceed. It's crucial to remember that deleting an ad account is a permanent action, and all associated data, including past campaigns and billing information, will be lost. Once your ad account is deleted, all active advertising campaigns linked to it will cease running instantly. This means no more ads will be displayed, and no further charges will be incurred. Furthermore, any stored billing information and payment methods associated with that specific account will be permanently removed. You will also lose access to all historical data, including campaign performance metrics and audience insights. Before proceeding with deletion, make sure all outstanding balances on the ad account are fully paid to avoid any issues. If you anticipate needing the account again in the future, consider deactivating it temporarily rather than permanently deleting it. Also, be aware that the process for deleting a personal ad account can differ slightly from that of a business ad account, so always double-check the specific steps for your account type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.